Hi, my dear children. Very pleasant good morning to all. I hope all are fine and safe at home. SBIOA Senior Secondary School, Trichy 7, Class 4, Subject English. I'm so happy to welcome you all for this video class. Today's moral value. Positivity, always look for the positive in every situation. Remember to smile, learn from mistakes. Lesson 1. Sinbad tells his story. This story appears in the great compilation of Eastern stories, popularly known as the Arabian Nights. It's also called the 1001 Nights. It was written during the golden period of Islam, from 8th century to 14th century. Sinbad is a merchant of Baghdad, is the capital of Iraq. He actually had 7 voyages. He had his voyage initially in order to restore his lost fortune and subsequently in search of adventure. In the course of 7 voyages, he suffered many disasters from which he made a miraculous escape. He was buried alive and he was sold into slavery. Despite his many misfortunes, he always managed to amass a fortune and return home a rich man. Okay, my dear children, before learning the story in detail, let's learn meanings first. Meanings: voyage, journey, struggle, to strive, pavement, sidewalk, footpath, splendid, great, tempted, to provoke, massive, heavy or large, realize, actualize, to become aware of, terrific, unpleasant, frightful, wander, roam, to move without purpose. Okay, my dear children, learn the meanings thoroughly, okay? Let's begin the story in detail. Sinbad tells his story. In ancient Baghdad, there lived a rich and famous sailor named Sinbad. Sinbad had gone on many wonderful voyages in his days as a trader and seafarer. In ancient Baghdad, Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Sinbad lived in Baghdad. He was a rich and famous sailor. He had gone on many interesting voyages in his days as a trader and seafarer. What does seafarer mean? Seafarer means a sailor. One day, a poor porter named Hindbad was walking past Sinbad's house with a very heavy sack on his back. The smell of good food and the sound of music and laughter made Hindbad burn with anger. Hindbad was a poor porter. One day, he was walking with a very heavy sack on his back. When he was walking near Sinbad's house, the smell of good food and the sound of music and laughter made Hindbad angry. Here he was struggling for even one meal a day. And there were people like Sinbad who did not have to do any work at all. Hindbad sat down on the pavement outside Sinbad's house to rest for a while. Why is he rich? And why am I poor and hungry? Said Hindbad. Is he better than me? As Hindbad was very tired, he sat down on the roadside near Sinbad's house to rest for a while. He was thinking that the people like Sinbad who did not have to do any work, they are very rich. But people like Hindbad are very poor. So Hindbad asked whether Sinbad is better than him. Sinbad happened to overhear Hindbad's words. By chance, Sinbad heard the words of Hindbad. So he invited the poor man inside his house and gave him a splendid meal and told him his story. Let's learn his story or what happened in his voyage. Sindbad was born in a wealthy family. As a child, Sindbad was lazy and spoilt, wasted his time. Suddenly, his parents actually died. In a very short time, Sindbad had used up his father's hard earned money. So, Sindbad was forced to sell everything he owned to repay his debts. Very soon, Sindbad became a pauper. Pauper means poor. Sindbad then decided to become a trader to earn back his lost wealth. So Sindbad set a sail on ship going to the East Indies. The crew members in a ship, they stopped in a different lands and bought and sold goods of various kinds. After a particularly long journey, they came upon a smooth island. They reached or found a smooth island. The cool rock surface motivated them to get off board. Our captain gave us permission to do so. So his captain gave them permission to do so. They got down and stood on the cool rock. As a few of us relaxed on this massive, great, treeless rock, suddenly this island began to move. Children, do you think island can it move? Definitely not. It was then that we realized that we were not on an island, but on the back of a sleeping whale. So they were not standing on a cool rock. They were standing on the body of the whale, okay, sleeping whale that had just woken up. A couple of his mates who were close to the ship ran fast and went back to the ship. Sindbad was not able to go to the ship. With a violent flip of its tail, the whale dived underwater. Sindbad was thrown away by the whale's back, flew up into the air, and landed with a terrific splash. Miraculously, he found a piece of wood and clung on it for a dear life. Sindbad actually shouted for help, but no one heard him. To his horror, the ship set sail. They started moving from there. No one had realized that he was missing. So, in the crew members or other sailors, no one had realized that Sindbad was missing. So, let's see what happens to Sindbad in the next session. Okay, my dear children, I hope you have understood clearly. Please read all the pages thoroughly and learn meanings. Okay, my dear children, take care. Bye bye.